Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna be doing a custom on some Nike Tanjuns. This custom is pretty much gonna be um, Pride related, or rainbow related, or Skittles related, whatever you want to call it. Um, so basically, first thing I'm gonna do with this shoe is get this whole thing pretty much taped off. And you can see in the picture how I've got everything kind of marked out on where each color is gonna go. But once you pretty much have that situated, the hardest part is pretty much taping the shoe off. You're gonna hit each one of these colors up one at a time. I actually saved the yellow for last. Hit that area down with some white, just to whiten the area up in general. It will make the yellow pop a lot more, make it very bright. Pretty much hit that up on all the shoes. You can see in the picture, not every single one of them were even when I came out. It took me multiple times to go over both shoes and kind of get everything situated as needed. And then obviously there's going to be some overspray, so I pretty much had to tape up all the areas that I had painted down in the first place, and then pretty much white those out, so I can pretty much get the whole background white again. It's actually took a lot of time to do that and re-cut out each little section, but it was worth it in the end. As you can see in the pictures, the shoes pretty much they came out crisp. And as always, you're gonna have touch-ups, and it's the small stuff that takes time, and it's very time consuming. But all in all, you can see the pictures came out dope. I'm gonna leave a link in the description on where you can pick up a pair of these shoes in your size if you're interested. Also, if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Here are some on-feet shots for you. I gotta admit, these Nikes, they're pretty much the lightest and most comfortable Nikes that I've put on. They have mesh, so when you walk, you can feel the air breathing right through you, your toes, so they're very, very light, like feathers. Pretty much, like I said, it's pretty much the lightest shoe that I've ever put on and walked around in. They're very, very comfortable.